In the last video, we successfully learned how to package our data using the post mapping in Pydantic. It was a huge win. But there's also a massive problem we haven't talked about. If you look at our responses, like when we click this try it out button, when we click this execute, our entire data was in the response body. Like this is a major security disaster because if there is a username and a user password which you are getting from the response body, it will be a major security risk, right? Exposing the passwords and all into the public URL. And today in this masterclass 4, we are going to fix this. I'm going to show you how to build a security shield around your API so that the sensitive data will not be passed into the response body. So, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Venu Explore, and I'm your Venu. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon and like the video so that you won't miss out the next video in this channel, and it gives a huge boost to the channel so I'd be making new videos every day. So without the further ado, let's get into the code editor. Uh, yeah, this was our previous code. Let me zoom this up. Yeah. Uh, the thing is we are returning the user here, right? Better I'll make this simple. I'll delete this fruit class here, and also better I'll change entire. Okay, let's say I'll clean this pretty fast, so it will be easy for you. Okay, and let's write the code. Let's take a use case scenario. We have a class user, and it is of base model, and we have username, which is a string. Obviously, we had a password, and that's a string. Obviously, okay. And generally, we say we had a memory database db equal to this, and then write a post method app.post of slash add user, and then we write function add user, and we'll simply say that we're appending user to the not user. Yeah, we're appending user to the db, and then we're getting the user. Okay, okay. And let's check this in our editor. We are seeing there is only one default route available, it is add user. And when we say try it out, it is asking username. It says, so for example, Venu, and I'll say my password is password. Okay, password at the rate 123. That's good. And I click execute now. See, when you see in the response body, we are getting both the username and the password. This is a major risk because uh, giving away the passwords of the users will not be treated your application as a secured one. It will expose many vulnerabilities. So we need to learn the concept. Like we should be very cautious when what data we are accepting and what data we are sending for that accepted request. We are accepting a username and a password, right? As you see here, we're accepting a username and a password, but we're sending both username and password here. So that should be controlled. So for that controlling, we need to learn about response format. To be precise, response model. Okay. Let's say for that response model, you need to create a class again. Class. Let's say user response. It should be also a base model. Everything you write here in this should be a base model only. And then say username and then write string here. Now you have two classes. One is called user and the one is user response. Okay. We need to give this user response to this method so that it will only return those were mentioned in this thing. User response underscore model and equal to user response. Okay. And when you see this, and I'll refresh this, you set this post method here, right? And now we'll say example value to be wait. Yeah, try this out. And now username should be Venu, and the password is password at the rate 123. Okay, and ready to see the magic happening. See, I am giving the password Venu, I mean username Venu, and password is 123, and say execute, and you'll be seeing just the username in the response body. You'll not get to see the password. So this is how you need to protect your data by using the response model entity. Giving this response model, like giving the class to what to produce and all, will make your data to be in your control so that what comes and what leaves will be entirely in your hands. So in the upcoming videos we'll be using this response model, and it will be very good like in further use cases and all. And to understand more concepts and all, from the next video I'll be starting out a project. We'll be starting with a to-do application, and then we'll bring AI projects and all into this channel, so that you will not be left behind in what you have learned. So for that reason, please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, and give this video a good like. So that's all for the video. Signing out. Bye. Keep coding.